Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Open to Work on LinkedIn. This feature is incredibly useful because it signals to recruiters and hiring managers that you're actively seeking new opportunities, making it much easier for the right people to find and contact you. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your full profile settings. After you've logged in successfully, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture along with some basic information about yourself. Click directly on your profile picture or name. This will take you to your full LinkedIn profile page where you can view and edit all your professional details. Now you're on your profile page. This is where all your work experience, education, and other professional information lives. From here, you'll be able to activate the Open to Work feature that lets others know you're available for new opportunities. Look for a button that says Open to near the top of your profile. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Finding a New Job. This is the option that will allow you to customize your job search preferences and make yourself visible to recruiters. A new window will pop up with several fields you can customize. Here's where you can really tailor your job search to match what you're looking for. You can add specific job titles that interest you, which helps LinkedIn show you to the right recruiters. You'll also be able to select location types, whether you prefer remote, on-site, or hybrid work arrangements, then choose the specific locations where you'd be willing to work. You can also set a start date for when you'd be available to begin a new role and select the employment type you're seeking, whether that's full-time, part-time, contract, or something else. Take your time filling out these details because they directly impact who sees your profile and what opportunities come your way. Once you've entered all your preferences and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Your settings will be saved immediately, and your profile will now show that you're open to work. Depending on your settings, recruiters will be able to see this information and reach out to you with relevant opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully added the Open to Work feature on your LinkedIn profile, making yourself more visible to potential employers and opening doors to new career opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.